Autonomic's eSeries streamers bring ultra convenience to multi-room audio installations with eAudioCast. Not only do they deliver high-res audio and multiple streaming options, you'll really appreciate their installation flexibility. Ranging from a single stream 1E to a 5-stream 5E, each Autonomic streamer offers 24-bit 192 kHz high-resolution audio. And when paired with Autonomic eSeries amplifiers, you can go up to 32 simultaneous streams into as many as 96 zones for ultra-large jobs. While this means your customer will enjoy beautiful music anywhere, you'll enjoy the installation flexibility. Like traditional systems, the streamers can be stacked with amplifiers in the same location using analog or digital connections. Or, when partnering with our eSeries amplifiers, the streamers and amps can connect over the same network with a single category cable, thanks to eAudioCast's proprietary technology. Best of all, any external sources connected to the amps backfeed to the entire system, which is especially useful if you'd like to install them in different areas of the job site. No wired network connections? No problem. The MMS 1E has built-in Wi-Fi to receive streaming services and add audio to stubborn areas when combined with the 120E. Together, they keep a low profile, and one or both can be mounted in any structured wiring can or strong VersaBox. And while the eSeries streamers can be used for standalone applications, we provide drivers for many of the popular control systems on the market. Finally, all eSeries streamers are OvrC enabled for convenient remote management. So whether you need a distributed audio system to be centralized, decentralized, or any combination of the two, Autonomic's eSeries streamers with eAudioCast deliver audio excellence with installation simplicity. Thank you, and as always, happy installing.